In this video, I'll show you how you can buy easy and fast other tokens. First, you must have a registration in Skrill. Please click in the description below, you can find a link. Then register, and in order to see this trade tab, you need to be verified customer. What does this mean? It means that you must provide your phone, and of course with such payment systems you need to provide your picture of your ID or driving license in order Skrill to know that you are not a terrorist or thief. So after that, and if you are from the supported list of the supported countries, you can see this trade menu from the dashboard. Then go to crypto, market data, and here you can see all available currencies with which you can trade. Currently I will trade with Cardano. If you want to buy, click buy instant, which means that you will buy instantly Cardano tokens, and you can spend 20, 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your balance. You cannot spend more, and there is a minimum, so currently is 20 BGN. I will trade with 21. You can see that for these 21 BGN I will receive 8.73 Cardanos with the current price, and click next. Here in this summary you can see what you will buy, ADA, and exchanging from BGN. Of course, this fee will be different for you depending of your status of your account. If you're a VIP or a diamond or gold customer, the amount which you will receive, and of course you will clicking in the confirm button, you agreed with these terms and the risk statement, confirm, and voila, transaction successfully. Now you can go to your crypto dashboard. Of course, this video I'm showing how you can trade, but this is risky, and the risk is on your own. I'm not here to tell you when to buy. As you can see, I'm not the best person, because my balance is negative for the crypto, but here ADA is my favorite, and I'm 20% up on this token. Currently this transaction can be seen very good from transactions, and here you can see that you exchanged other tokens and the operation is successfully. That was all. Skrill is the best wallet, currently one of the best wallet for trading. It provides not only trading functionalities, but you can withdraw money, you can have a card, you can have different balances in different currencies. As you can see, I have all the different currencies and coins, and you can do a lot of things, from international wire transfers to paying your recurrent payments like my Spotify, or just insert money in Binance or in other crypto markets. It provides very good mobile application with good and responsive design, and I think you must register and try it on your own. Thanks for watching.